Wednesday's precise and important news. First Deputy PM met with Under Secretary General for Humanitarian Affairs. Haji Mullah Abdul Ghani Biradar Akhund, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, said in a meeting with Martin Griffiths, the Under Secretary General for Humanitarian Affairs, that with the re-establishment of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, in addition to the elimination of drug cultivation and corruption, progress has been made in several development areas. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan condemned tearing and desecration of Holy Quran in Netherlands. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan condemns in the strongest possible terms the tearing and desecration of the Holy Quran by a bigoted politician in The Hague, Netherlands. Acting Interior Minister met with the UN high-level delegation. The Interior Minister, in a meeting with the Under Secretary General for Humanitarian Affairs, said that there has never been any proposal of depriving girls from education, but there is a difference of opinion in the education system, which is resolvable. Afghanistan was in war and hardship for almost half a century. Education is our own need. Thousands of Afghans conducted protests in Khost, Paktika and Nangarhar. Thousands of Afghan men staged protests in Khost, Paktika and Nangarhar to express anger at the desecration of the Holy Quran in the Swedish capital over the weekend. NSIA has distributed more than 9 million electronic ID cards in all regions of the country. The National Statistics and Information Authority has so far distributed electronic ID cards to 9,160,000 Afghans, of which 5,080,000 are men and 4,077,000 are women. Of these 9,160,000 ID cards, 3,070,000 have been distributed in all regions of the country by the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan.